Today in the classroom, I got to share about the New Truth series, I Am the Solution Weekend Workshop. It's a virtual weekend workshop, continuing education of the soul. And, so many people do continuing education, and it's all about knowledge and mind and doing better in their career. But how many of us stop and take the time and think, when was the last time I really did some work on my spirit, on my soul, on my mindset, and change some of the habits that may not work for me anymore? So today I talked about the upcoming New Truth series, I Am the Solution Weekend Workshop / Continue Education of the Soul on Friday, September 17th, Saturday, September 18th, and Sunday, September 19th. It is a wonderful, powerful weekend where it's you, and God. Just you, and God. And of course, learning about our mindset and about the 8 keys to living the life that we want. And also on Saturday, we talk about our relationship with a higher power, with God. To me, it's God and Jesus. But to you, whatever that is, you can insert your own name, but I don't apologize. It is a Christian workshop. And then on the last day, which is Sunday, we put it all together. Oh, and by the way, we have Dr. Lorraine Day, who shows up on Saturday to razzle dazzle us with God's words and principles. And how we're going to be talking about this time is how to be peaceful in a chaotic world. That's what she will be talking to us about this time. And then on Sunday, we put it all together, and the solution part of it. So I am is the God within us, and solution is an acronym to how we can live our life, how we deserve to live our life, the awareness. And so who benefits from this workshop? Well, if you have a perfect life and you just want to do a little bit of tweaking, or you want to learn a little bit more about yourself and different ways that you can accomplish your goals, you deserve this weekend. And do you believe that there should be more out of life? Do you believe that you need more? That somehow there are obstacles in your path that are keeping you from the life that you want, the relationships that you want, the career you want, the finances that you want. Perhaps maybe this is a workshop for you. Could it be that perhaps there are past traumas in your life that you haven't dealt with, or maybe you thought you dealt with, but still they keep you depressed and anxious? Or maybe you're just depressed and anxious. Could be that there is sadness and uncertainty in your life, and there's a clinical diagnosis that takes away your power. Or maybe you just want to learn how to forgive somebody, or you want to build that relationship with someone who's important, but you just don't know how to break that ice. Perhaps maybe you're in a flux now. A lot of people are losing their jobs. Maybe you don't know really what you want anymore. And now it's time to dig until there's only truth. So you need to bring your soul shovel, that's for sure. We have so much fun learning about ourselves. But at the same time, when you take that good look at what you want and what you've created in your life, perhaps you can still change course. Maybe you'll discover that there's a different way to take that path. Just like the Wizard of Oz. Dorothy would follow the yellow brick road, and once in a while she'd get off that path. She'd pick up some friends to follow the yellow brick road with her. And then she'd get off the path again. But what is your yellow brick road? Maybe your yellow brick road is different than your family's yellow brick road, or your boss's yellow brick road, or your coworkers, or the people around you that are pushing you to do one thing or another. I am encouraging you to dive deeper into who you are and who you want to be, so that you can be who you say you are. So this video is a recap. You're going to see it on YouTube, because we talked about some things. People made some comments about the current situation, and I am going to keep this platform as long as I can, because the truths need to come out. Because if I were to leave, then all the people that will be in these platforms are the people that are telling you misinformation. So, are you curious? Do you want to learn more? Text me at, oh, wait, I forgot the biggest thing. I'm giving away 1 seat in the classroom, 1 seat for free. So if you're saying, oh, I would have loved to do it, but I can't afford it, no more excuses, because you might win. The only way you can win is if you try, because if you think about it, it's not going to happen. So all you have to do to be placed in the winner's basket, you need to declare that you want your life to change. You want to be part of the solution of your life. So you text me at 407-373-5959. Please tell me who you are so that I know who's telling me. And so that when I write your name down and when I put you in the winner's basket and pray for you, and I'll know who you are. And then on Monday, which is the 13th of September, we're going to draw some names. 1 name. I'm going to mix it up and pick 1 name. Could that be you? Maybe. Who knows? I hope it is. And then I will call you and let you know that you need to be that you need to be available, or we'll give it to somebody else. We need for you to be available all 3 days. And these are Eastern time. 17th from 6 to 9 or 10 o'clock Eastern time. That's Friday. Saturday from 12 to 6 or 7 Eastern time. And Sunday from 12 to 6 or 7 Eastern time. I can't put an end to it, although there is around that time. So if you're planning an event or after, just make sure it's either before or after those times, give or take an hour, okay? Because we want to make sure that everybody feels heard, everybody feels welcome, and everybody feels like they can step into their power, because you and God are an overwhelming majority. So I hope you will consider it, and I look forward to hearing from you. Please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!